manifestation and how you can crack the code and manifest your desires into your life. How about this? You upload a thought and the universe responds. Your universe responds and delivers whatever you're thinking about. How about that? I do believe that 2025 is going to be magical. So many good things will appear in your life, in my life. I believe this because I cracked the code of manifestation, and I'm going to share this little story with you, something that happened for me not long ago that got me thinking about how the universe responds to your thoughts, to your beliefs, to your energy. So are you ready for this? And when I say manifestation, when I say you can manifest your dream life, you can manifest whatever you want into your life, it's if you want more money, they will show up. I'm not saying that they will just be in front of your shoes one day, but they will show up when you do these things. If you want better health, it will show up when you do the right things. If you want better relationship, it will show up when you do the right things. But the fact is, we need to understand how to crack the code for your universe to actually deliver the things that you desire. So what I experienced not long ago is that I spoke with a friend of mine, and we had a conversation about a health issue, about what could cure, what could help with this health issue. Now magic appeared, and that's why I say crack the code to your universe. Magic appeared not long after we had that conversation. So what I'm sharing with you in this video is powerful, but it's also very, very, very important to understand that it is about mindset, and it's also about your energy and the trapped energy in the bodies or the system of most of us. And I'm gonna, not very far in the future from now, just a couple of minutes, I'm gonna share with you how you can get access to some exercises that can help you shift into exactly the things that you want in your life. Get clear on it and how to shift mindset and release trapped emotions. So that's the code cracking, so you can manifest your dream life. So I was sitting with this friend and we had this conversation. We had our phones in our pockets, both of us. We didn't look at the phones, we just had the conversation. And just after this conversation, guess what began to show up on ads on my phone? Products to solve this health issue. Maybe you tried something like this. Maybe you've spoken with someone and suddenly you see, whoa, interesting, because I'm seeing ads now on things that I spoke about. Or maybe you tried to Google something or go on YouTube and search for something, and not long after you will see ads, suggestions, things like that showing up on your phone or maybe computer after you searched. And that's the idea, that's the crack the code thing here. So if you see, because we're cracking the algorithm, and the algorithm of YouTube, Facebook, Google is actually just to figure out what you want and then deliver that to you. And if you click on something, it's even better, right? For the algorithm. So just imagine this, that you got like this universal algorithm that you can crack the code to right now. It works in the same way. It works in the same way. the issue is that most people are not aware of this, and therefore they are not aware of what they are searching for, what they tap into the search bar of their universe. And what do I mean by that? I mean, like, if you Google something and then you see an ad around that thing, or you go on Facebook and you see an ad around the thing. Many people have things, and I've tried this myself for so many years, and I still, the more that I dive into this, the more that I play with this, the more that I'm curious about this, the more magical life gets. So many people do not understand, are not aware that the things that shows up in their life, in their reality, are things that they put into the universal search bar. And the algorithm is just sending those things to them. So people say, oh, another bill. Guess what is put into the search bar? Another bill. And delivered, another bill, right? Or an ad, not an ad, but you'll see something in your reality like another bill. Or a person says, which I did for so many years, I don't have money enough. Well, guess what? Delivered, not enough money. Or, I don't sleep good. Well, guess what? More don't sleep good. Or, my partner is so irritating. Guess what? Okay, put in the search bar, partner irritating, and we'll get a lot of signs of partner being irritating. Or, I can never find a good partner, or I can never find a good mate, or I can never find a good woman or man. Guess what? Tuk, 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 tuk. Type that into the search bar and you will see that in your reality. Make sense? And then some people say, well, I didn't ask for those things, but the fact is that, and I know this because I've been through this for so many years, the fact is that how we think, our beliefs, our core beliefs, our trapped emotions, traumas, these things that are in us, energies that has not transformed yet, those things are things that we put in, most people unconsciously, in the search bar of their universal algorithm. So some person the thoughts are running. We've got so many thousands thoughts running inside of us every day. Thoughts are running, and many of those thoughts may go more on the negative side, whether it's money, whether it's business, whether it's health, whether it's relationships. They go more into the negative side, and those things keep showing up in that person's life. So how to crack that manifestation code is actually, and that's why I say shift or transform all the time, the thoughts, the beliefs, the emotions. And when I say emotions, I mean, because that's what I went through too. A lot of us run around with not transformed emotions, trapped emotions, negative energy, fear energy from trauma experiences when we were kids that just they are in the system. And we are not aware of that. I wasn't aware of that for so many years. So only when I began to be much more aware and much more conscious about what am I thinking, what am I feeling, then I began to understand, okay, I put a lot of negativity into the search bar. And guess what? The algorithm kept putting those things into my reality. So when I began to be aware, I could begin to shift the thoughts. And shifting a thought from, oh, another bill, into money shows up in my life. Like, could be that, could be something else. Or I don't sleep good till wow, I actually do sleep, or I actually do sleep good. Or there are no good partners for me, to actually begin to say, well, probably there is. There is a good man or woman for me out there. Changing those, to begin to think that way. And I spoke about this before, your system, your RAS, it's a part of all of our human being systems, will begin to look for these things. Maybe not instantly, but as we keep shifting, you crack the manifestation code, and you will begin to see signs of these things showing up. Sometimes fast, sometimes takes a little bit more time. That's not the most important thing. The most important thing is that when you do this, when you shift, you crack the manifestation code and you see the signs, you are becoming a manifestation, a dream life magnet. Same thing with emotion. When maybe you begin to think more positively, or try to think more positively, but you feel something is wrong inside. So maybe you say, well, money's showing up in my life, but then you feel something like that's not right. You feel maybe something in your solar plexus or in your chest or wherever you feel it. Now the thing is, and this is one of the things that it was really a big learning for me, that those feelings are from all the time that we put into the search bar of the negativity. They're trapped in there. So when you begin to release or transform or shift, whatever word is the right for you, those emotions, those trapped energies, into something lighter, into something that feels better, guess what? It's going to be even more easy to think the positive things. And it's going to be more easy for the universe algorithm to deliver the positive things to you. So this is the manifestation, the cracking of the manifestation code. And I love it. So I hope this helped. I look forward to share this. And I also promised to tell you how you can begin to work more. If you want to dive deeper into this, if you feel like, okay, I want to shift my life, I want to manifest my dream life. What I've created, and it's still brand new, is a community. I call it the Manifestation Masterclass, and it's free. You in there are manifestation foundation. There are some trainings on getting clear on your dream life, and also exercises, something that I went through myself, mindset shift, but also emotional releasing. It's different from person to person, so both of those things are in there. It's very foundational, some of the biggest thing. There's a community and there are more trainings in there, and it's for free. So if you want to join us, if you want to look more into this, the link is below this video, and you're more than welcome. This is all about manifestation, shifting into cracking the code of the algorithm and shifting into something even better in your life. So lots of love.